before we start our session, I would like to call your attendance first. So, if you are present, please raise also your book and notebook. Okay, understood? Okay, so number 1. Number 2. Absent. Okay, absent. Number 3. Book and notebook. Okay, you have it? Okay, number 4, tar. Okay, tiger. Absent. Azan. Organ. Kima. Okay. Kawon. Ini. Absent. Hana. Okay. Native. Zin. Jasmine. Guitar. Okay, we have the homework already. Okay. Digital. Just homework last time. Okay. Next, game side. Mini. Biter and shrimp. Okay. So now, I would like to ask you a question. So what is our previous lesson? Okay, so recap. What is our previous lesson last time? What is our lesson last time? About what? About what? Okay. I will just record it. Okay. Meaning, stand up please. So what is our previous lesson? About? Yeah, you can help. Sit down, please. About resistors. Okay. So our topic is about resistors. So we managed to topic about this one, right? About the color, the value, and the tolerance in percentages. Okay. So also, our activity right now, okay, everybody please stand up. Okay, stand up. Okay, now what happened is you need to connect with each other. So please hold the hand of, hold your hand, hold each other hand. Okay, and then hold hand, connect there. Okay, Azan, Johanna. And then Kimwa, you need to do like this. Okay, next. Jasmine to Morgan to Idanin. Okay, so teacher Pa, what we will do? Okay, so our activity for today, we do the body weight. Okay, we do the body weight from from Kawong to, who is the last person? Trend. Okay, so can we try it? Okay. Yes, wait, wait. Okay, ready? Okay, down position, rest position. Okay, start. Wait. Okay. Okay, now the second activity is from Kimwa to Trend, and then Trend go to Kimwa. Back again. Sorry. Okay, come on, ready, start. Trend up again. Trend. Okay, so thank you so much, sit down. So what do you think is our topic for today? What is our lesson about? About what? Any idea? What is that? What is that in English? What is it? So that would be about, what is it? Okay, so Teacher Pao, I don't understand a little bit. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, so another example. What happened to the water when you drop a pebble. What is pebble? What is pebble? Stone. Okay, what is stone in your language? Stone, pa sa Tagalog. In. Okay, so there is water. Okay, assuming that you see a water, and then you drop the in. You drop the stone. What will happen to the water? Move. What is the movement of the water, Gemstyle? What is the movement of the water? Like that? Yeah, okay. So what is it? Wave. Very good. So Hannah, wave. So let's have another example to show how this water wave. Okay? So we have the YouTube, and most especially when it comes to water. Okay.
Ripples have always fascinated. I tried this setup to understand more about ripples in general and waves in particular. Water bottles act as a stand so that we can pass the
Water
shower.
bottle, so this is like an Indian or something.
This
Okay.
glass is used from the project. Home sheet is used near the water surface.
Okay, so there is a board. What is a board? It's like a frame, picture frame. So he lay it down and then put some water. Okay? So now, what else? He used glue drops. Okay? Glue drops, syringe. What else? We make 2 syringe. And then pebble. So water as disturbance.
Water droplets are used to create disturbance.
So we use plastic dropper.
Plastic dropper,
Okay.
syringe, and plastic tips.
Height. What is height? Okay. Soup. Okay, soup.
It is challenging to create
Syringe.
two separate disturbances
Okay.
at the same time.
And 2 syringe.
I
Okay,
tried
now
couple of times.
we will see later what is the formation of the wave
The water drop gets
inside the frame.
disturbance
You
moves.
can see there is something like that. If
For
you
the
put at the
ripples,
center.
wavelength is not safe along the distance.
Okay, so this is at the
It
center.
hits the wall and reflects back. These interactions can be clearly seen in the aircraft show.
Direction. Let me see.
Different patterns can be
This
seen
is the other
based on
side. Look
location
what
and
happened. It will go
space.
here, but once the wave go here, it will go back again, bouncing. Okay, so it's not the same. Different distance. Okay. This one
Aircraft
is
drops can be
many
understood
drops.
with the aircraft dropper or safe.
So you can see the wave.
Results are better with sunlight
Okay.
instead of using artificial light. Morning sunlight is good as it casts the shadow
So that is
outside the
syringe.
water.
What is syringe in Pasagay? Syringe one. Injection. This is syringe. Okay. Next, we have the, what is it? The pebble.
The interaction of two waves can be seen when two plastic
See, there is
tubes are
pebble.
at the same time.
Row. So it's not the same. Okay, so much for that. We are talking about the wave. So now, going with our discussion, what is wave? Okay, so wave is a disturbance or back and forth motion. Teacher Pa, what is back and forth? Go there and back, go there and back, go there and back. Something like that. That is back and forth motion that travels through something like water or air, carrying energy without transporting objects. For example, there are many types of wave. Okay, so we will discuss it later. But now, wave, by definition, is a disturbance. So when the water is disturbed, it will have movement back and forth. Okay? Now, did you know that Olympic diver, something like that, did you see Olympic or SEA Games like Beige, something like that? So how will they win? They win when there is small disturbance of water. Like, oh, winner. But if you go down and you are not winner. Okay, so that is very difficult. So like how will you go the water without how will you do that? So that is because of technique. Okay, body control, synchronization of movement. So without making splashes. What is splashes? What is splashes in life? Like there's water like that is splash. What is it? Ayan. Kajraman? Kajay. Kajay, like the water splash. Or waves to something. So now, we are going to explore the properties of the wave. Wait, what are the waves? Okay, we have, okay, we have the basic properties, okay? Always remember, all waves have the same basic properties, which include amplitude, wavelength, frequency, period, and speed. We have 5. Again, all waves are the same, but we have this inclusion. First, amplitude. Everybody say amplitude. Wavelength. Frequency. Period, and speed. So we have 5 properties of wave. Okay, always remember that. Again, all waves have the same basic properties. Basic properties, amplitude, frequency, wavelength, period, and speed. Okay. So now we will be having a try to what? To have an illustration. Okay, example. So we have here the illustration. We will have the illustration. Example. Sorry. Okay, example. Okay. So we have this one is point A, this one is point B, C, D, E, F. Next, G, H, I, J, and K. A, oh sorry. Redo. Where is the redo for this one? Okay, I will got it. Okay, example. We have this wave. Okay, so it says that the wave will have its rest position. Okay, so this line is our rest position. This one also is our rest position. So what is rest position? Not disturb. Okay, no wave. rest. Okay? So now, we are talking about what? The amplitude, the frequency, the wavelength. Okay? Now, this one, this distance from the rest period, this one is what we call amplitude. Understood? Okay, from this one also is, what is this? This one is amplitude. How about this one? What do you call this one? Very good. Amplitude. Okay. How about this one? What is that? Ano? Wavelength. Very good. So wavelength. So wavelength. This one is wavelength. Okay. So we have amplitude and wavelength. Understood? So teacher Pao, how to know a wavelength and amplitude? Okay. First from amplitude, from the rest position going to the crest. Okay, that is amplitude. Going to the throw, again this is crest, this is throw, is also amplitude. Understood? Do not be confused. And then this one, how about this one? What do you call this one? From this point to this point. Wavelength. Very good. It's wavelength. Again, what is this again? Amplitude. This one. Amplitude. This one. Wavelength. This one. Wavelength. This one. Amplitude. Okay, understood? Okay. Now, in our diagram, okay, it says in this photo, okay, amplitude, the height. What is height? Kamsu? Kwamsu? Huh? Kwamsu? Kwamsung. Oh, height. So that is the height. So from the rest to the amplitude, or to the throw, or crest. Crest, throw. Understood? That is amplitude. Wavelength is this one. Okay, there are two properties already. So the distance from one wave to another. So one wave to another wave. That is wavelength. Okay. Next. What are the parts of the wave? Teacher Pao, you said crest, you said throw. What is it? I don't know. So this is amplitude again, and this is wavelength. This is crest. This is throw. Understood? Crest. This one crest. Throw. Okay? And then rest position. Teacher Pao, your rest position is here. When is the end of the wave? That is the rest. Okay? If my end, if for example, I notate. Example, I glued to here. So this is my rest position. Understood? So let's extend. Stop here. This is also my rest position. Understood? So somehow, the waves are not the same. Okay? So it varies also. So rest position, wavelength, throw, rest, and amplitude. Okay? Understood? Do not forget the terms. So that is the vocabulary for this lesson. Okay. Next is what we call wave frequency. So number of complete cycle. What is cycle? Cycle. Okay? One cycle. For example, from Kauhong to Tren, go back to Kauhong. That is one cycle. Understood? So we have the wave. So for example, from Kauhong to Tren, is it cycle? Huh? From Kauhong only to Tren, is it a cycle? No. Because Again, what is it? The wave? Back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. So from Cow Home to Trent, Trent to Cow Home. That is one cycle. Complete cycle. Okay? So what is the formula of frequency? Later. But the unit of measurement is how to read this? How to read this? Hertz. Very good po. Hertz. Okay? So this is the frequency. Hertz. Okay, everybody say hertz. Okay. So high frequency. Okay? Music. So in the ear, there is a frequency also. Radio have frequency also. Okay? Then lower frequency music has slower changes in the sound waves. So the faster or the, how should I say this? The higher the frequency, the faster the movement per second. The lower the frequency, the slower the traveling, the speed of the frequency. So how to visualize that picture power? So this is the formula of what? Frequency period. Okay? T is equals to 1 over frequency. And frequency is equals to 1 over time. Okay? Page 69? 68 of the book. Okay? So, example, we have this graph already. So, we use time graph to determine the amplitude. Okay. So, I will call somebody first. Okay? Hannah. So, where can you draw where is the amplitude? Okay? Can you draw where is the amplitude? Please. Okay, where is the amplitude? Just have the drawing. Okay. And sit down and Kimwa. Where is the wavelength? Wavelength. Okay? Yeah, correct. That is the wavelength. Okay, do not be confused about amplitude. This is amplitude, this is wavelength. Okay? Listen carefully, this is the wave patterns. Okay? So now, when we are using about time graph, we could determine the amplitude of the oscillating object. Picture how oscillating, what is it? Oscillating is go back and forth. This is oscillating. Okay? Understood? So, go back and forth. That is oscillating. Okay? Next is the period of the oscillating object and the frequency of the oscillating object. Period and frequency of the oscillating object. Now, on our next video, we will be going to determine also that amplitude has no negative value. Okay, in your geometry, this is your axis, right? This is x and y axis. Yes or no? What is that symbol or sign for this one? First quadrant. Positive x and positive y. How about this quadrant? What is the x and y value? Negative and positive. Right? How about this quadrant? Negative and negative. And how about this quadrant? Positive and negative. So, in this y-axis, for example, we have 10. Okay? 10. Negative. Yes? Okay. How about this one? It's the same. 10 but positive. Okay. But according to rule, the amplitude has no negative value. Example, what is the amplitude of this front teacher? 10. Okay? What is the amplitude? 10. 10 up, 10 down. Up and down is 10. No negative value. Okay? Understood? Always remember that amplitude has no negative value. Okay? So next. For example, what is period? Period is the time taken for complete oscillation. Again, complete oscillation. Okay. For example, this is my first line. Okay? So, this is the first. So, from this one to this one is my first. Right? Okay? From this one. How about this one? So, this one is this one, right? So, from this one to this one. How about this one? Which is, where is the complete? So, this one and this one. Understood? Okay, again again. Period, same. Okay? That is period. Where is the period of this? Sorry, where is the period of this? D to F, D to G, D to H. The wavelength. Okay? How about E? What is that? G? What is this is not wavelength. This one. Okay? Okay, that is period. Okay? Again. Okay, period is from this one, up and down. That is one period. Again, oscillating. Back and forth. So if you go here, it's only from Kinhua to trend. Okay, but if you go back again, it's from trend to Kinhua. Kaohong. Sorry. Kaohong. Understood? Okay, for example, if I start here, where is the complete oscillation? G. Very good. G. Going down, stop. G. Okay? Teacher, go down. It's not complete anymore. Right? Okay. So understand, it's the wavelength corresponds with the period of the oscillating cycle. Now, okay, by activity, by referring to the graph, states four pairs. What is pair? A, B, C, D, pair. Okay? Pairs of points at which a system make a complete oscillation. Who can answer? Try. Who can try? The same. Okay, Teacher Pao, can try first? Okay. Line away. Sorry. A, E. What else? Okay, I'll try answer. I will not call anyone. Just try to answer. Yes, hands up if you want to try. Just try to answer. Yes. C. Very good. C. G. What else? 4. We have 1, 2. Okay, so let's try to draw it. Okay, A to E. From here, A to E. Very good. Okay, next, CG. From here, CG. One complete cycle, right? Next, what else? BF. From B, F. Teacher Pao, if you connect it, it go back. Diba? And lastly is, what is that? DH. DH. Half. Half. Okay, understood. That is the period. Complete oscillation. Okay. To try to test it, find the frequency of the system of the graph below without using the equation. Okay, so this is, what is this? What is this? Seconds. Okay, that is seconds. 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay, so in 1 second, how many, or what is the frequency? How many oscillation? How many oscillation in 1 second? How many? Complete oscillation in 1 second. How many? Who? Oh, this is 1, this is 2. How many complete oscillation in 1 second? 2? Complete oscillation. Who can answer? Just try. There's no wrong, there's no right yet. Okay, this is 1 second. This is 2 seconds. Teacher Pao talk to you about that oscillation is the complete cycle. Okay? So now in 1 second, how many complete oscillation happen? Good. 1. Understood? 1. Teacher Pao pagay. 1. This is 1 only. Okay? How many frequency in 2 seconds? How many? 2. Understood? So, the formula is T is equals to 1 F. T is equals to 1 F. To find the frequency, 1 over time. Okay? So, there is 1 divided by 1 equals 1. Understood? What is the formula of frequency? Unit. What is the unit of frequency? Hertz. Okay. Next. Who can answer? Oh, Azan. Who can answer? Like, in 1 second, how many oscillating, complete oscillation, complete cycle? Who? How many? Hands up. There are only 19 people. Hands up. Yeah. Kimua, right? Oh, stand up, Kimua. Yeah, just try. I will. 2. Who have the same answer? Who say 1? How say 2? Or 3? What is your answer? What is your answer? Kimwa say 2. Azan, what is your answer? You do like that. What is your answer? What's your answer? Just try. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, Tar. 5. Tar, in 1 second only, ha? 1 second, not 2. How many frequency per second? Per 1 second, how many? 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, don't worry, let's try. This is 1 second, right? Okay, this is 1 second. Kim Won said 2. Let's try. 1, right? 2. So how many? 2. What is the answer? 2 hertz. 5 tar, 5 hertz. Okay, next. How about that? In 1 second, per second. Oh, per second. How many per second? Guess. How much? 1? Guitar say 1? Azan? 1. Try to locate the wavelength. The wavelength. Wavelength also is the sign of complete cycle. What's your answer? Yes, Minnie, try to guess. Try to answer. 1. What else? Yes. 5. Okay, 1 is, we'll see if it's correct or not. Always remember that wavelength is a complete cycle, right? Okay, this is the wavelength of it. That is 1 complete cycle. And the 1 is here. Is it 1? What will be the answer? The answer will be 1/2 hertz. You're correct. Correct. Okay. So 1/2 hertz or 0.5 hertz. Am I? Okay. As I told you, you need to look the wavelength. That is the complete oscillation process. Okay. Next. We will not skip there. How many? Okay, how many? Azan. Wild guess. 1.5. 3. Azan 1.5, you 3. Who else? Who have another answer? Now how about Hannah? What is your type? 2. How come? 3. Okay, 1, 3, 3. How about this side? 1.5, 3, 3. Okay. So it's enough. So again, this is 1/2. 1/2. This is 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So again, complete cycle. 1. Stop. Not complete, right? This is the complete one. So in 1 second, how many? 1.5. As that is correct. Okay? 1 and 1/2. HC. Okay, 1 and half because this is the complete oscillation. oscillation. Okay, so gets understood a little bit, right? Okay. Now, wave velocity. Pulling. So I understand it's period 7, like you need to wake up and energize. Okay? So speed, when we say velocity, it is always distance over time. Distance over time. Okay? So for example, if a wave travels 10 meter, 10 meter is distance. In 2 seconds, its speed would be 5 meters per second. How, teacher Pao? 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay. So the answer for speed is 5. Formula based on our book, page 68. Okay. So V is equals to S represent speed over time. Right? That is the velocity of, that is the velocity. Okay? This is distance and time. This is also the wavelength and time, and then frequency, and then wavelength. Okay? Understood? So V is equals to ST. Also V is equals to wavelength over T, and also V is equals to Fx. Wavelength. So this is how to interpret this formula. S over T, wavelength over T, and frequency times wavelength. Okay. Now, example number 5. 6.1. Okay. A sound wave with a frequency of 300 Hz travels in air at a speed of 344 meters per second. What is the wavelength of the sound? Wavelength. What is the wavelength of the sound? So in the problem, we need to find the wavelength. So wavelength. What are given? What is the given? Find wavelength. So, given 300 Hertz. What is Hertz? Frequency. Okay? Next, 344 meter per second. What is this meter per second? S over T. Distance over T is velocity. Understood? In the formula, velocity is equals to frequency times wavelength. This is unknown. We have V, we have M. Remember Ohm's law, VIR. Something like that. VIR, V over R, or V over I. Yeah? So same here. We need to find here. So this one, go there. Okay? So wavelength is equals to V over F. Equals to how much? 344 meter per second over 300 Hz. What is that? Do the division. Okay, 344 divided by 300. What would be the answer? Tar, what is the answer, Tar? 1.15. 1.15. Okay, 1.15 what? N. Okay, so that would be the answer. Okay, understood? So this is the formula for finding the wavelength. Again, we have many formula in finding wavelength. This is the formula. We use this one. Okay? We can use this one. We can use this one to have the wavelength. Understood? Okay. So for your homework, page page 73. Okay, page 73, answer page 73 for your homework. Okay? Do you have any questions so far? Do you have question? Do you have question? Do you have question? Okay, don't worry, we will going to review it again before we will proceed to the mechanical waves. Okay? So we will also have a lot of activity for it too. We have the laboratory. Next meeting, we have the laboratory. So if you could bring, what is this in your language? The spring. 6, 7. The spring. What is the spring? This one. Spring? The toy spring. Yeah, we have this one, a little bit spring from the pen. Okay, we have activity on it. Okay, next time. Okay, so if you don't have question, then everybody stand up.